Good morning, guys! So for today's vid, I'm going to show you the result of my test sa dalawang tools na most loved ng beauty gurus and the makeup lovers na beauty blender sponge and yung bagong labas ni Tati Beauty na Blendiful. So, I compared both side by side kung anong foundation applicator ang the best ang result. So, if you're interested sa topic for today, please stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't still yet. And bangag na ako, guys. Wala pa akong tulog. So, see you later! Alright, guys. So, about to test a beauty blender by Beauty Blender and the Blendiful by Tati. So, this comes with two sponge. One is the big size and the small size. Ito medyo matigas. This is too soft. And yung most favorite nating beauty blender sponge. I wet it already and we're going to test side by side kung ano ang mas mag-stand out sa application. So, itong Tati Beauty Blendiful is first time natin gagamitin. Ang sabi dito, for cleaning instructions, machine wash and dry in delicate laundry bag or gently hand wash in warm soapy water. Rinse thoroughly and blot dry. Do not bleach, do not dry clean. So, unlike dito sa sponge natin sa beauty blender, madali siyang linisin, madali rin siyang matuyo. You don't have to blow dry pa. But this one, yun ang di natin alam. Ang texture niya is parang yung makeup remover na fiber yung texture niya. Parang ganon. And hindi ko alam kasi I'm really excited to try this out kasi nasa-challenge ako sa kanya. Para lang siyang powder sponge. But it's claiming na pwede mo siyang gamitin sa cream, liquid foundation, powder all at once sa isang tool na to. Let's see kung ano talaga ang magiging result. Kung anong mas maganda, kung anong mas mag-stand out. So without further ado, let's begin! So for today, I'm going to use Huda Beauty in the shade of Latte. Ngayon lang ata ako magpa-foundation ulit. It's been 48 years. Kasi hindi na ako nagpa-foundation, guys. Pag umalis, hindi na ako nagpa-foundation. Kasi ayoko nagpa-foundation pag summer. So, sa left side ko is Beauty Blender and right side would be this Tati Beauty Blendiful. Unahin ka muna tong Beauty Blender. All-time favorite ng mga makeup lover ang Beauty Blender, guys. Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Kasi sobrang ganda ng application niya rather than brushes pagdating sa liquid foundation. And kiniklaim ng Tati Beauty Blendiful na ang kanilang result is airbrush softness. Ating ifa-find out. Promise, guys, ngayon na lang ulit ako ng foundation. Hindi ko nga alam kung yung shade ng foundation ko is match pa ba sa skin tone ko. O hindi na. Kasi sobrang tagal kong hindi na nagpa-foundation. Kahit umalis ako, hindi na ako nagpa-foundation. Ginagamit ko lang is BB creams, CC creams. Pero yung high coverage foundation like this one, hindi na ako sanay. So, ito yung finished product ng Beauty Blender pagdating sa liquid foundation. Let's move on sa Tati Blendiful. Ayan. Paano kaya application nito? It's rather swipe or dabbing. So, since gagamitin natin siya hanggang sa powder, kukuha lang ako ng corner or some maliit na area para gamitin natin. pang blend ng contour cream. Lahat-lahat na nga daw eh, sabi. Okay. Ayan. Can you see the difference, guys? Kasi ako, I can see. I can see, lalo na pag naka-contacts ako, baliktad. Pag naka-color contacts ako, ang lawo ng paningin ko. Okay, so we're finished with foundations. Then dito, gagawin ko yung normal routine ko. Gagamit ako ng brushes, o kung ano ba yung ginagamit ko usually. But here, wala akong ibang gagamitin. Hindi ako gagamit ng brushes, kundi eto lang. Kaya, it's very challenging for me kasi hindi ako sanay gamitin to. So, next would be my contour cream. This is from Iconic. And right here, I usually use brush for blending. Kaya I'm going to use brush on my left side. This is my usual routine. And for the right side, Blendiful. Oh! Nag-blend! OMG! OMG! Dito medyo talagang contoured na contoured. While here, ginawa niyang subtle na blend niya na maigi, or I guess nabura niya, I don't know, pero this one looks more natural than this. So let's see. Sobrang soft niya and talagang matutupi mo siya ng ganito. Oh, it looks okay. Not bad. I thought mahirapan ako, but no. So far so good. Okay, the next would be our concealer. And for today, I'm going to use Tati Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer. So I'm going to apply this directly. And I'm going to use Beauty Blender on the left side. Okay. And Blendiful on the right side. Okay, so what's the difference? Okay, wait guys, let me check kung ano talaga yung pinagkaiba. Kasi hindi ko makita. Okay, I know now. Next is our cream blush. This is from 3CE in the shade of Holy Hawk. I'm going to apply it directly with a sponge. Like this. Okay, and Beauty Blender on the left side. Then the next would be our powder. This is a translucent powder from Laura Mercier. And I'm going to apply the left side with the Beauty Blender. And I'm not going to bake it, so I'm going to dust it up right away. I'm not used to baking anymore. And I'm going to the Blendiful. Yeah. Let's see. Can you spot the difference? Not yet. Okay. This is from Too Faced chocolate soleil. Yeah. And for the right side, Blendiful. This is challenging for the nose. This is challenging for the nose, guys. And I'm going to just put on my lipstick, then I guess I'm done. This is from Huda in the shade of Venus. Mag-gloss na lang ako. Okay. And I'm gonna put blush. Then my setting spray, and lastly my highlighter. Okay, I'm done, guys. So my thoughts and review for this product. As I can see, kasi halos wala siyang difference for me eh. Aside sa nag-enjoy ako, kasi it was really challenging for me. The first time ko siyang gagamitin and hindi ako sanay. Pero na-enjoy ko siyang gamitin. To think na hindi mo na kailangan siyang basain bago mo gamitin is malaking check yun for me. Kasi lagi akong nakaupo na sa throne ko, tapos I have to wet my beauty blender, so tatayo na naman ako, ganyan. But kung sa bothersome lang, same lang sila, kasi kung yung beauty blender kailangan mong basain before you use it, ito naman after mo siyang i-wash, kailangan mo naman siyang i-blow dry. Pag na-clean mo na yung beauty blender, pwede mo na siyang iwan kasi normal na siyang matutuyo. But itong Blendiful, kailangan mo siyang i-blow dry para magamit mo siya ng dry. Hindi mo siya gagamitin ng wet. My thoughts about the application niya. Sa creams or liquid products, I was really surprised kasi nga dry siya. Yung first worry ko dito sa paggamit nito ng dry sponge sa liquid products is baka mag-cakey siya or parang hindi siya mag-slide, hindi siya mag-blend ng maganda. But I was wrong kasi she did the job well. Sa concealer, ganun din. Wala naman din akong nakitang so much difference between the two. But sa powder, when I put my translucent powder, napansin ko na mas way more natural yung result ni Blendiful kaysa kay Beauty Blender. Kasi yung dito ko sa my left side, para na siyang nagkikakey. Pero yung dito ko, turn out to be way more natural than my left side. Dahil siguro puff siya, mas maganda siyang gamitin sa powder kasi yun naman talaga yung trabaho ng puff. But, all over, kung i-rate ko siya over 10, gusto ko siyang gawing 10 cause travel friendly siya kung iisipin dahil hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng too much things. Dito, gumamit ako ng face brush, ng contour brush, ng blush brush, ng highlighter brush. Aside dun sa eye brushes mo, ang dami mo pang kailangan bitbitin dito. Eh, mas malalaki yung for faces, diba? Yung malalaking parang ganyan. Malalaking parang ganyan. Parang ganyan. Ang lalaki niya kung ibabag. Kaya pag nagtatravel ako, actually talaga ang bigat ng dala. But kung meron kang ganito, napaka-easy to use, travel-friendly, and may kasama pa pala siyang tamutig ako na makalimutan. Ito siguro pang retouch. Yeah, I give it 10. It's a yes for me. Kung gusto ko siya, kung nasatisfied ako sa kanya, yes. Kung bibili pa ako ulit, yes, maybe. Kapag nasira to, baka bumili ako ulit. Yeah, I think I'm in love with this baby. Ay, nalungkot naman ako sa beauty blender ko. Marami na rin akong na-try na other tools. Kaya lang, beauty blender pa rin yung holy grail ko. But, parang tinalo. But seriously guys, nagustuhan ko siya. Kasi talagang buong akala ko hindi niya magagawa yung job niya. But, she did it very well. Yun nga lang yung sa may pag-contour powder na, I guess mas maganda pa rin gamitin yung brush rather than this. The rest, okay na ito. Yun lang, yung contour powder lang. Parang hiniwala niya yung tone, pero gagawa naman ng paraan kung marunong kayong gumawa ng paraan. Pero kung hindi, maghihiwalay talaga yung contour powder nyo sa the rest of your makeup. Kaya, be careful lang when you are going to use this for your contour powder. So, I guess that's all for it, guys. And, may natutunan and may na-pick up sana kayo for today. And if you enjoy this, please hit likes and share and subscribe if you still haven't yet. And thank you. Thanks for watching.